Hello, friends! Welcome back to another easy English lesson. Today, we're going to talk about something simple and useful, my daily morning routine. Don't worry, I will speak slowly so you can follow every word. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Ready? Let's begin. Every day, my morning starts at 7 o'clock. When my alarm sounds, I open my eyes and get out of bed. First, I take a moment to stretch my body and start the day with a small smile. Next, I head to the bathroom. I clean my teeth and wash my face with cool water. The cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. After that, it's time for breakfast. I go to the kitchen and prepare something simple. Most days, I eat eggs with bread. Sometimes I also enjoy some fresh fruit. And of course, I always have a warm cup of tea. It gives me energy for the day. Then I get dressed. I like to wear comfortable clothes, usually jeans and a shirt. When the weather is cold, I add a sweater. Before leaving, I get ready for the day. I brush my hair and check my bag. I make sure I have my phone, my keys, and my wallet. Finally, I put on my shoes and step outside. I walk to the bus stop and see many people starting their day, just like me. The morning air feels fresh and everything is already moving. And that's my morning routine. Now it's your turn. What do you usually do in the morning? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English videos. See you next time.